Introduction. Previously, ChatGPT operated on different models. If you've tried it before, you might have seen models like GPT-3, O3, GPT-4, and so on. Each model was best at its specific field, some at writing, some at coding, some are fast, some took their time to respond. However, since then, ChatGPT has started operating on its single most powerful model by default. Currently, this model is GPT 5.2. Cool thing? You can choose its mode depending on your needs. Say, you need to quickly write a summary section in your resume ASAP. What would you choose? A mode that asks clarifying questions about your preferences first. A mode that generates summary options immediately. Say, you need to quickly write a summary section in your resume. For quick, straightforward tasks, instant mode is your best choice. It prioritizes speed and delivers results without additional questions.
Research the company, analyze the role, create interview answers, and give me practice questions.
Complex tasks like this need more processing power. Instant mode won't deliver the depth required. Instead, thinking mode is specifically designed for advanced, multi-step tasks that require reasoning and synthesis. In fact, ChatGPT can recognize task complexity automatically in auto mode. It decides whether to use instant or thinking based on your request. But if you want to guarantee deep processing for a complex task, manually selecting thinking mode ensures full power.
Instant built for speed, thinking, built for complex tasks, auto, the default mode, which GPT decides itself.
Choosing the right mode is just the beginning. ChatGPT also has specialized features that enhance specific types of tasks. Let's explore which features work best for different scenarios. Looking at the above screenshot, which ChatGPT feature would be most helpful for the complex interview prep task we discussed earlier? Deep research, web search, study and learn. But why doesn't deep research fit if you need to research the company, in your opinion? It's designed for intensive academic or knowledge work. It takes significantly longer than web search. It's an advanced feature that's difficult to use. ChatGPT's features. You've just identified which features fit which tasks. Now, let's understand what each feature actually does and when to use it. Web search, as mentioned above, pulls current information from the internet, news, company updates, and recent developments. It's perfect for company research, current events, and recent product launches. Deep research is built for long, comprehensive, multi-source analysis. It examines dozens of sources, synthesizes findings, and produces detailed reports. Use deep research for academic papers, market analysis, and competitive landscape reports. Agent mode lets ChatGPT execute multi-step workflows autonomously. It can search the web, analyze results, create documents, and iterate without constant input from you. It's like giving ChatGPT a project brief instead of step-by-step instructions. It plans and executes the workflow independently. Add photos and files lets you upload images, PNG, JPG, PDF, and documents, Word, Excel, FileMail, is text files, for ChatGPT to analyze, summarize, or reference. Examples: upload a resume to edit it, upload an Excel sheet to analyze, upload a screenshot to extract text from it, and many more. Beyond processing images, ChatGPT can also create images. Describe what you need visually, and ChatGPT generates it. Use this for portfolio visuals, brand logos, presentation graphics, social media visuals, or just for fun. Other specialized features: shopping, research compares products and finds deals across retailers. Study and learn creates study plans and quizzes from uploaded materials. Canvas opens a side-by-side editor for iterative writing and coding projects. Each feature solves a specific problem. Choose based on what you're trying to accomplish.
ChatGPT features are tools in a toolkit. Web search for current info, fast. Deep search for comprehensive analysis, slow. Agent mode for multi-step workflows, files and photos for analyzing uploads. Image creation for visual content, specialized features for niche tasks. Niche tasks. Pick a tool that matches the job.
Matching modes and features to tasks. Now, let's practice choosing the right model for different job search scenarios.
Write 20 different thank you notes after interviews at different companies. Analyze my resume against 5 job descriptions, identify skill gaps, and create a 3-month learning plan with specific resources. Match each task with the appropriate GPT feature. Okay, research a startup's recent funding news. Web search. Create a visual diagram for my portfolio. Create. Analyze 10 academic papers on AI ethics. Deep search. Edit grammar mistakes in my uploaded cover letter. Edit grammar mistakes.
Mode and features, master. Congratulations, you've learned to match ChatGPT's modes and features to different task types. This skill multiplies your prompting effectiveness. Knowing how to ask is important, but knowing which tool to use is equally critical. Together, these skills make you significantly more efficient. What's next? Next, you'll dive into another ChatGPT's feature, image generation. This will further enhance your ability to leverage ChatGPT. Stay tuned.